Hello everyone, welcome back to Big Progress Channel. I'm Hana.
And I'm Lam. Hi, it's great to see you here.
Today, we have an exciting topic that is very practical for daily English conversation.
Yes, we are going to learn how to talk about your job in English, how to describe your responsibilities, your daily routine, and even your future goals.
That's right, Lam. Talking about your job is something everyone experiences, and it's one of the most common questions in real-life conversations.
Exactly. Before we start, if you like our videos, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Your support helps us a lot.
Thank you so much. Okay, Lam, are you ready to start our English practice today?
Absolutely. Let's go.
So, Lam, imagine someone asks, "What do you do?" How do you answer in English?
The easiest way is to say your job title. For example, I'm a teacher.
That's perfect. Or you can say, "I work as a designer."
Great. Hana, what's your job title?
I'm an English teacher and a voice coach.
That's wonderful. I'm a podcast host for Big Progress and also create content for our learners.
Excellent. Sometimes people also ask about the company you work for.
Yes, you can say, I work for a marketing agency. Or if you are your own boss, you can say, I'm self-employed.
Exactly. Like me, sometimes I'm self-employed. It means I run my own business.
Another common question is, what do you do every day?
Right. You can say, "I'm responsible for," or "my main task is."
For example, I can say, I help learners practice English daily and create new lessons.
And I can say, "I prepare lessons, teach English online, and help students with their homework."
We also have expressions like, a typical day at work looks like. I manage social media accounts. I assist customers every day.
Very useful. These phrases help people understand your job clearly. Lam, let's describe a typical day at work.
Sure, I can say, I start work at 9 a.m. and finish at 5 p.m. Every morning, I check emails and plan new episodes. After that, I record lessons and edit scripts. At lunchtime, I usually eat with colleagues. In the afternoon, I answer messages and prepare for the next lesson.
Perfect. You can also talk about breaks, meetings, or coffee breaks.
Right. I take a short coffee break at 3 p.m. and chat with my teammates for 15 minutes.
I can say mine too. I plan my lessons every morning, teach students for 3 hours, then have a lunch break. In the afternoon, I review student assignments and sometimes meet other teachers. I usually finish around 4 p.m.
Great example. Always include start time, activities, breaks, and finish time.
Now let's talk about where you work.
You can say, I work in an office, or I work from home, or I have a hybrid job.
And what about outdoor jobs? For example, construction workers or park rangers.
Yes, that's another option. You can describe your environment clearly.
Also, talk about the workplace atmosphere. Is it formal or informal?
My workplace is informal. I can wear casual clothes.
Mine too. Informal workplaces are very comfortable.
And relationships with coworkers?
You can say, "My coworkers are friendly and we help each other." Or, "I work in a small team like a family."
Good. And some useful vocabulary. Open space refers to a big office room with many desks. Deadline, something you must finish on time. Boss, the person who manages you. Colleague or coworker, the people you work with. Client, the person or company you serve. Flexible hours, You can choose start and finish times.
Very useful. Always remember these words when describing your work.
Next, do you like your job?
I love my job because it's creative and I meet many learners.
For me, I enjoy interacting with our audience, but sometimes editing videos is not my favorite.
Everyone has parts they like and dislike. You can also say, my job can be stressful sometimes, but I love my team.
Or you can say, I like my job because it challenges me and I learn new things every day.
Now let's talk about your past jobs. Where did you work before?
I used to work part-time at a cafe while I was a student. Then I joined a small content agency before Big Progress.
For me, I started teaching English online and also volunteered at a language center.
You can also mention what you learned. In my last job, I learned customer service skills and teamwork.
Yes, it shows your career path and what you bring to future jobs.
So far, we learned how to introduce your job, describe responsibilities, talk about your daily routine, describe your work environment, express job satisfaction, talk about past experience.
In part 2, we will focus on future goals, dream jobs, how to ask others about their work, practice exercises, and Q&A. Now, let's talk about future goals. Lam, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I want to travel the world and create English lessons for learners globally.
Amazing! And I want to build my own online platform for English learners.
You can also mention skills you want to improve. I want to improve my communication skills, or I want to learn digital marketing.
Exactly. Talking about goals shows that you are always growing and learning.
Let's share our dream jobs.
My dream job is to create content that inspires millions of learners worldwide.
And my dream job is to teach English in different countries while traveling.
Great! You can also say, my ultimate goal is, or I hope to become an expert in my field.
It's also important to ask about other people's work. Common questions include, what do you do? Do you like your job? How long have you worked there? What's the most interesting part of your job? What is a typical day like for you?
These questions help keep a conversation friendly and natural.
Let's do a role play. Lam, I'll be the interviewer.
Okay.
Hi, what do you do?
I'm a content creator and English podcast host at Big Progress Channel.
That's interesting. Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot because I meet learners and help them practice English.
How long have you been working there?
I've worked here for 2 years.
What's your favorite part of your job?
Interacting with our audience and seeing their progress.
Perfect. You can practice this conversation with a friend or in front of a mirror. Now it's your turn. Think about your job title, company or workplace, responsibilities, daily routine, work environment, job satisfaction, past jobs, future goals.
Write sentences for each point and try saying them aloud. This will help your fluency and confidence.
Here's a quick recap of useful phrases. I'm responsible for. My main task is. A typical day at work looks like. I work in a environment. I love my job because. I used to work at. I want to improve. My dream job is.
Practice these phrases regularly to sound natural in conversations.
That's all for today's lesson.
We hope you now feel more confident talking about your job in English.
Remember, practice makes perfect. Use these phrases with friends, colleagues, or even by yourself.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Big Progress Channel, and leave a comment below. Tell us, what do you like most about your job? Or what is your dream job?
We read every comment and love connecting with all of you.
See you in the next episode on Big Progress Channel. Keep learning and improving every day.